In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, amidst the tranquil waves and azure skies, an epic struggle unfolded that would change the course of history. This is the story of the Pacific War, a clash of titans between the United States and Japan. It began with a thunderous surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, a day etched in infamy. The Japanese onslaught caught the United States off guard, crippling their Pacific fleet and thrusting them into a war they never sought.
In the video, I'll walk you through how to utilize this tool, providing step-by-step instructions to create your own animated war stories. So, if you've ever dreamed of sharing your tales of heroism and conflict in a visually stunning format, now's your chance. Join me as we explore the world of animated war storytelling and unleash your creativity like never before. Now, let's get into it. Have you ever wondered how to craft compelling narratives for your videos? It all starts with understanding the essence of your story. How many words have you written so far? Do you know which countries your story traverses? Understanding these details is crucial, but don't fret if you're unsure. There are plenty of resources available to help you out. Websites like Britannica offer comprehensive information about wars throughout history, including the countries involved and the timelines of conflicts. So whether you're delving into ancient battles or exploring modern warfare, you'll find everything you need to enrich your storytelling. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of historical narratives and video creation. If you're looking for more detailed information, you'll find it readily available. You can access comprehensive data from various sources. In addition to dedicated websites, platforms like Wikipedia offer in-depth insights into historical events. And of course, there's always Google, your go-to for any additional research needs. Now, let's say you've decided to focus on a specific war, like the Pacific War between the US and Japan. If you're planning to create a video exploring this conflict, you'll need a script to guide your narrative. Where can you locate a script for your project? Well, that's where our reliable chat friend, ChatGPT, steps in to assist. Thanks to advancements in AI, tools like ChatGPT can assist you in crafting scripts tailored to your needs. By engaging in conversation with ChatGPT, you can generate detailed scripts covering various aspects of historical events, such as the Pacific War. While ChatGPT can't generate images directly, it can provide valuable insights and information that will aid in your video creation process. So, if you're wondering why we're not discussing image generation here, don't worry. There's a reason for it, and we'll get to that in the next step. You'll also find a link to access ChatGPT in the description below. Simply copy the script generated by ChatGPT and paste it into your preferred word processing software. From there, you can customize and refine the script to suit your video's narrative style and structure. In summary, ChatGPT provides a convenient solution for generating scripts for your historical video projects, ensuring accuracy and depth of content. So, let's dive in and harness the power of AI to bring our historical narratives to life. Now, let's focus on crafting the script specifically for the voiceover. With the script ready, you might be considering translating it into other languages. While that's an option, I'd suggest sticking to English, especially for this category. English videos tend to attract viewers from countries like the US, UK, and Canada, resulting in higher RPM. Additionally, performing voiceovers in non-English languages can be challenging. However, if you still prefer other languages, you can utilize AI tools like 11 Labs, which offer voices like Brian's, known for their depth and suitability for narration. But remember, if you're using voiceover from AI tools like 11 Labs, ensure you have a subscription to avoid issues with reused content and monetization. I've encountered such problems in previous videos, so it's crucial to subscribe if you opt for this route. With the voiceover sorted, it's time to generate the videos based on our script. Let's proceed to the next step in our video production process. Head over to a website called HyperAI, whose link you can find in the description below. This platform is where we'll create some fantastic videos to complement your story. Upon arriving, you'll need to either sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Once inside, locate the option to create a video with text and give it a click. A text box will appear below, ready for your input. Now, let's take a moment moment to appreciate the plethora of scenes ChatGPT has provided us with. If you've received image prompts for your story, we'll be using those as well. Simply copy the first image prompt and paste it into the designated box on HyperAI's platform. Once you've uploaded your image prompt, you'll be prompted to select a style for your videos. There are numerous options available, so feel free to explore and find the one that best suits your vision. Since we're focusing on war-related content, you might want to opt for a style reminiscent of old war films. Choose the film option and let the platform automatically add additional prompts to enhance the overall aesthetic. As you can observe, selecting the style for your video is a one-time process. Clicking repeatedly will only duplicate the same promotion, which can be monotonous. Once you've finalized the style, click on the Create button, and now we wait as the platform generates our video. Since this service is currently free, the processing time typically ranges from 1 to 2 minutes. So patience is key as we eagerly await the completion of our video. And there we have it. Our video is ready, and it's truly remarkable, exuding the essence of an old-style war film. However, if you prefer high-definition quality, bear in mind that the maximum duration for such videos is only 2 seconds. But fret not, as there are ways to extend this duration. In the video, I'll explain 2 options to prolong the video duration. The first option involves duplicating the same image prompt 2 or 3 times and generating videos in different styles. This method ensures variety in your content while maintaining coherence with the theme. Alternatively, you can use multiple image prompts related to the same theme to create several videos, each with a fresh perspective. Once you've decided on your approach, you can download the videos directly from the platform. So, let's proceed and explore these options to enhance the duration and diversity of our videos. I've successfully generated and downloaded all the videos, and the voiceover files are also ready for use. Now, it's time to bring all these elements together in the final step, editing them in CapCut. Let's begin by importing all the videos into CapCut, along with the voiceover file. Once imported, we'll place the voiceover file onto the timeline alongside the first video clip. Next, let's adjust the volume of the voiceover as needed. If you find that the volume needs to be increased or decreased, you can easily do so within CapCut's editing interface. Simply locate the audio track in the timeline and adjust the volume accordingly. With the voiceover volume adjusted to your preference, we're one step closer to completing our video project. Let's continue fine-tuning the elements to ensure a seamless and captivating final product. Now that we have both your script and voiceover ready, it's time to integrate them with the videos one by one, maintaining the sequence in the timeline. We want to ensure that the voiceover aligns perfectly with the corresponding visuals, creating a seamless viewing experience. To extend the duration of the videos, the second option available is to adjust the playback speed. By reducing the speed to 0.5x, for instance, the video will play slower, effectively doubling its duration while keeping the audio in sync. This method allows for a smooth flow between scenes, ensuring that your voiceover remains coherent with the visuals. You also have the flexibility to adjust the speed of individual videos according to the pacing of your narration. With all the necessary adjustments made, including syncing the durations of the videos with the voiceover, our editing process is nearly complete. At this stage, additional effects or enhancements can be added to further polish the video, depending on your creative vision. With everything properly synced and aligned, our video project is now primed for its final touches before being ready for viewing. You have the option to enhance your video with animation transitions, although the content itself is already quite compelling. Additional editing may not be necessary, as the video stands strong on its own. However, one final touch we can add is auto-captioning. By clicking on the text option, we can generate captions directly from the video. If the video is in English, CapCut will automatically generate captions for us. We can then customize the style, template, color, and text size of the captions according to our preferences. Once the captions are in place, our video is ready for sharing. When exporting the video, consider adding suspenseful or war-themed background music to enhance the viewing experience further. With these final touches, our video will truly come to life and captivate our audience. As always, if you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Your feedback is always appreciated. Now, enjoy the video.
In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, amidst the tranquil waves and azure skies, an epic struggle unfolded that would change the course of history. This is the story of the Pacific War, a clash of titans between the United States and Japan. It began with a thunderous surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, a day etched in infamy. The Japanese onslaught caught the United States off guard, crippling their Pacific fleet and thrusting them into a war they never sought. But from the ashes of devastation, a resolve emerged. The American war machine roared to life, factories churning out planes, ships, and tanks at an unprecedented pace. Across the nation, young men rallied to the call of duty, answering with unwavering courage. They trained rigorously, readying themselves for the trials that lay ahead. The turning point came at the Battle of Midway, a clash of fleets that would decide the fate of the Pacific. Through cunning strategy and sheer bravery, the United States dealt a crippling blow to the Imperial Japanese Navy. With momentum on their side, the Americans embarked on a daring campaign of island hopping, reclaiming territory inch by inch. Each island captured brought them closer to the heart of the Japanese Empire. But victory came at a cost. The Battle of Okinawa was a brutal struggle, with both sides locked in a desperate fight for supremacy. The rugged terrain and fanatical Japanese resistance tested the resolve of the American forces. As the war dragged on, the specter of nuclear annihilation loomed large. In a fateful decision, the United States unleashed the atomic bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, bringing the war to a swift and devastating end. The Pacific War exacted a heavy toll in lives lost and cities destroyed, but it also forged bonds of friendship and cooperation that endure to this day. As we reflect on this chapter of history, may we never forget the sacrifices made and the lessons learned.